This is a tiger. Okay, the first letter of tiger is T. So we have to find the T. Okay, we found the T. The next letter of tiger is I. Okay, okay, I. Okay, we found the I. The next letter of tiger is G. Okay, we found the G. And the next letter is E. Oh, E. And the last letter is R. Okay, R. Yes, we found the tiger. Tiger. Tiger.